Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Daily Practice of Photography. So today I'm going to practice two techniques in photography. One technique is the power of three. So there are 4 flowers here. So I'm going to photograph just 3, 1, 2, 3, or this one and this one. The size here is the same, but the color is different here. And the size is small, but it's okay. So first I'm going to take this to the power of 3, and this also the power of 3, and another one, this one actually is more beautiful compared to this, because the petal has more layers. So for this another technique is frame in frame. So I'm going to photograph from here. I will make this as a frame. Okay, so we start from this, the power of 3.